Then watch this video.
Okay, this is Kelsey, and I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid. You're going to start with sectioning off the bangs in 3 sections, and then start with regular French braid. Okay, and then before you pick up more hair for this piece, you just leave that down, and then pick up a piece of hair from behind it and bring that into the braid. And you keep French braiding the top like regular. And then leave this piece down, and then grab another piece from right next to it, right behind it. And then you add that to the braid. And then once again, for this bottom piece, you bring it over, you leave that down, and then you grab another piece. So it starts to look like a waterfall. And you just keep going around. And you can style it any way you want to. There you go.